Good afternoon. Thank you so much for this tremendous honor and the award from the March of Dimes. While I'm aware of the March of Dimes, and like many people are aware of the tremendous work that many charities do, I never thought I'd be a direct recipient of your efforts. My wife and I, about a year ago, were expecting the birth of our twins. We were very excited about it, and we're thrilled, as most parents were, about the opportunity and the joy of bringing home those little bundles of happiness to our lives. About March of last year, we had a bit of a twist of fate, where my wife experienced preterm labor. And she went in the hospital and was hospitalized on bed rest. We went from excitement to fear, both for her and for the birth of our children. From there, after 2 months of long, excruciating labor and dealing with bed rest in the hospital, our twins were born, 2 months premature. Then they, in turn, stayed another month in the hospital in the NICU. There, the work of March of Dimes became clear to us, and the benefits were something that without their work and the work of March of Dimes, perhaps our twins wouldn't be here today. Many of the procedures that were used in Harrisburg Hospital were funded through research by March of Dimes. As a result of that, both we and other families like us are thrilled to have healthy children that otherwise would not be healthy. And we are thankful for the work that you've done and the joy it's brought to us. Thankfully today, our twins are about to turn 1. They're healthy, they're happy, and our family is much better off because of the work that you've all done. Standing here today before you, it is a thrill for me and an honor to both be recognized by the March of Dimes and have the opportunity to personally thank you on behalf of our family for the work that you do every day, the funds that you raise, the research that you fund, and the benefit it provides to many families like ours. I appreciate the honor, I appreciate your work, and I thank you from the bottom of both me and my family's hearts.